Hello everybody and welcome back to One Everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix CHI transaction failed to process in CHI 2025. So this happens when your payments transfer or purchase is blocked or doesn't go through even if you have funds available. So I want you to start by checking temporary processing issue. So CHI transaction may fail you to its work errors, processor timeout, overload, or overloaded servers. So how to fix that? You will need at first to wait from 5 to 15 minutes, and then just go and try again, and also make sure your internet is simple. So please just use Wi-Fi state of mobile data if possible. Secondly, you will need to go and verify you have enough available balance. So even if your balance looks good, just check if the amount exceeds your SP.me limits that you can find on the homepage of your app. If the transaction includes hidden fees or pre-authorizations like gas station or ATOS, so how you can do that, just try smaller amounts. View your available SP.me coverage as I sold you from homepage and look for Spot.my, then you available to check. Thirdly, just confirm that transaction type is supported, so Chime may clean certain transactions like the international payments. If travel settings enable, for example, online gambling, crypto, or adults content, have risk merchants or marketplace. So to fix that, you all need to try the card as a regular store, like grocery or pharmacy if you are abroad. Contact chain to enable international usage by going through the support. So everybody, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.